Hi everyone, this is Login Giants. Today I'm going to be showing you how to hide likes on Instagram. All you have to do is follow this process. So let's get into it. First, you need to open Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your account. Then you need to go to your profile on bottom right corner. Well, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Now in order to hide the likes, all you have to do is select the post. So I would like to hide the likes of this post. Here you can easily see that the likes of this post is 38. Now in order to hide the likes count, all you have to do is click on 3 dot on top right corner. Here you can easily get the option of hide like count. All you have to do is click on it. You can see that the likes count of this post has been hidden successfully. Well, this much for today, and if you guys found our video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on my next video. Till then, stay safe and take care.